Yeah, I have 50 on my boots.
You said B.
And I have like no pots.
We all are.
I know, but my boots were gonna break and I got no pots.
I almost dropped that 2 X left and end the pro.
Get the guy. Where'd he go?
Where's
He's under
that?
the tree.
I wanna kill him for his pots really badly.
Nice.
No.
Nice. Okay, I need those pots. Thank God. Oh my God. Yeah, I have 50 on my
You
boots.
said B.
And I have like no pots.
We all are.
I know, but my boots were gonna break and I got no pots.
Come here.
I almost dropped that 2 X left and end the pro.
Get the guy. Where'd he go?
Where's
He's under
that?
the tree.
I wanna kill him for his pots really badly.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, I need those pots. Thank God. Oh my God.
Yeah, you literally just, you blocked my debuff. Like, I was gonna debuff him and you jumped in the debuff.
He brought it straight up.
I dropped my sword again. What the hell? I got.
We got a Dumbo. We got a Dumbo.
You!
Let's see.
Stick these.
Let go.
Is that them over there?
Yeah. Oh my God.
So we can
GG,
catch
I
up
lost
fast.
him.
Alright,
I lost
alright,
everyone.
I can see
No,
them.
dude, he's north, he's north, he's north.
I'm
I'm
not
so
getting
bad
any
at
of
chasing.
this. Oh
If
yeah,
I
we got
dungeon-
the big boy
We're at
fast.
dungeon.
HCZ.
Hey guys, turn on HCZ. Turn on him.
Oh, he's debuffed. HCZ. Target HCZ. He's debuffed.
And poisoned.
I'm staying on that EDZ, bro.
Are y'all still at dungeon?
We passed it. We're heading north from it.
Speed 3.
Dude, we got Tarzan over here.
Did you click it?
We got Tarzan.
Huh?
Oh, I don't think any of us got it.
Yeah, you all got it, I'm pretty sure.
No, I didn't get any.
I was like at least 5 blocks away from you guys.
Oh, then
Are they
they
still
glitched
running?
out. Yeah, they're still running.
I don't think I'm gonna catch
I'm
up.
on Tarzan.
If we see a base, don't get close to it, okay? Because we don't want to get trapped.
Are you guys on roof?
No.
He turned for me.
Dude, he's still there. What's your Z? What's
Like-
your guys' Z?
Oh, this guy's a hot shot.
Z. 5.
Damn, I don't have feather falls.
Jumpers.
Guys, quartz.
Yeah, jump boost in water.
Bro, we could have done that.
You
Give
guys
me
give
speed
quartz?
3, Jason.
Speed 3.
No.
Can one person please give
What?
quartz?
Dude, I think this guy's hacking.
Whoa.
Well, nighttime. Guys, please quartz.
Negative 51, negative 551, and negative 740.
We got Tarzan over here. We got Tarzan.
Where'd you guys go?
I
Oh,
just
so
see
Jason.
Jason in the tree.
I was repotting. I was fixing my hotbar.
I don't know. It's not theirs.
I'll get close. It's not?
Okay, I'm at the quartz. Are you guys
Oh,
here?
I see them.
He's already.
I see him too. Jason.
Run north.
Wait, I'm getting strength.
There's a strength beacon.
Yeah. This daddy kid doesn't even know how to fight. It's like
Conceal. Pearl on Fuchi. He's lagging out.
day and night.
I'll pearl on him.
Speed 3.
Okay, quartz again.
I'm not gonna speed through you and me.
Oh my god, it's faction members here. I'm dead.
If you die,
wreck
it's
him.
bad.
Why do you always say you're
Oh, that's what you said.
Every single time you see people, I'm dead.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, I know. You don't even like. You don't even give yourself a chance to fight. You just say you're dead. Like,
Oh, if I see him, I'm dead.
we won, and we have
Where's
strength
Allies?
too, and they
Died.
don't. We're
Hey,
dead.
where are they, Bumble? Bumble, where are they?
I have no idea. Yeah,
Bumblebee. Why it's so fun.
He's debuffed this shit.
I got a purple.
Speed
I'm
me.
gonna.
Jason, speed me. Jason, speed me.
Are they raidable?
No, that portal doesn't work.
No, Lucas lagged out.
Because this portal
Did he?
He lagged out.
Rip. He lagged out. I started recording.
He was standing still. He lagged out. Pick up his sword. Wait, what's the sword?
Oh, it's regular. This is regular prop one.
Someone pick up his bow. Someone pick up his bow.
We just made them 3.5.
Dude, no, we killed 4 of them. We killed their allies too.
Hey, everyone pick up the pearls. That's easy pearl farming. Like, what's that?
Yeah.
Yeah. The exit portal? Duh. Same. I kited out. Brixton just got banned again. Is he? No, Epic. No, he apparently he was joking around. He's friends with Jason. Yeah, just keep running, keep running. Me? BAB, turn around. BAB, help. Go through. Okay. Come on. Let's go raidable. We're in, we're in! We're in! Go, 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 go! Oh my god. Debuffed. Pearl up, pearl up! Yeah, it worked! Yeah! We got it legit! Yeah, I'm recording. I recorded this. Being shy as PvP prot. Hey guys, so we just made Epic's faction negative 5.5, and you know, he's in our team speak. He muted up. He's pretty salty. Yeah, they're gonna try to get in our base, but you know, we're not stupid, and our nether portal is outside of our base. So, oh shit. Yeah, unless someone breaks our nether portal, then we're fine. See? I have no more, dude. We used all the obsidian. Yeah, did we make a nether portal trapped one?